The airdrop has arrived. This is as massive as IT gets. What exactly is Flare? What is the significance of this, and how will it benefit XRP holders? Keep reading till the end to find out. But first, at the end of the month, we will give away 25 XRP coins to one random subscriber to get them started on their XRP journey. All you have to do is like the video, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Welcome XRP Army. Let's help the XRP Hut community develop by liking and subscribing. For those of you who are wondering what Flare is a new blockchain network that aims to assist assets like XRP, Litecoin, LTC, and possibly Bitcoin, BTC, enable smart contract capability and get access to decentralized finance, DeFi. In its most basic form, Flare was the concept of getting a return on one's money through the use of XRP and a variety of other cryptos. The important thing was that you could get Flare for free because it was an XRP airdrop. An airdrop is a method of distributing tokens as a form of reward or gift. So, if you had 1 XRP on the snapshot date, which was December 12, 2020, you should have gotten about 1 Flare. Let's say it was about October of last year when they unveiled everything. Things have improved significantly. They want to do something similar to what Polkadot and others have done for Kusama. We'd like to establish a canary network. Consider it this way. It's essentially a testnet that also functions as genuine crypto on its own. So all they really did was announce Songbird, which had already happened a long time before. Songbird was supposed to come before Flare, but that didn't happen, because once Songbird is good, it will be followed by Flare, which was supposed to happen a few months ago, because it was said that it would happen in June plus 2 to 4 weeks. That estimate was clearly inaccurate now that we're in the middle of September. Songbird is now fully operational, and all addresses have received the SGB token. Songbird is currently in what is known as observation mode. The FSO contracts will be deployed during observation mode, and the FSO system will go online. Observation mode is intended to make network deployment safe for exchanges, FSO data sources, and developers. At this time, the network may be rolled back and or redeployed from Genesis. If the network and Flare FSO smart contracts prove stable, observation mode will be terminated at 14:00 GMT on September 27. This is most likely when trade and other activities will begin. After Songbird has evolved past observation mode, Flare will no longer be able to unilaterally roll back or restart the network. The state connector will not be activated for Songbird testing immediately after September 27. It will first undergo additional testing on Coston. Both the state connector code and the state connector incentives will be put to the test. This may necessitate changes to the state connector and how validator power is allocated among validators who win state connector proofs. During this point, they may or may not deploy the F-asset contracts to begin testing. After the state connector architecture and associated validator selection procedure have been properly validated, the necessity to whitelist nodes will be abolished. Songbird will then obey the validator's directives and carry out previously agreed token-derived governance functions, which are managed by the Flare Foundation. If it hasn't already, testing of the F-asset contracts will begin. If it hasn't already, it will start now, and if stable, will become a Songbird core protocol. The F-asset system may undergo halts and or modifications during this testing phase. Flare will be released when the F-asset contracts have been properly vetted, and Songbird will serve as a testing ground for Flare's governance-related changes. Songbird token governance enables it to depart from this position at any time. So, how can we obtain Songbird? If you already have XRP, or have XRP on an exchange, all you have to do now is wait for them to appear. We know that sounds ridiculous, but that's all you have to do. Even if the Songbird has already been delivered to exchangers, this does not guarantee that you will receive it. Why? This means that there will be a few exchanges in which we will not know whether or not they will release this Songbird to the public. We believe Binance, like many other big exchanges, was overjoyed. However, it should be noted that Binance US refused to participate in the Songbird giveaway at the time. If you hold your XRP on Binance US, for example, you may not receive a single SON per token, despite the fact that many others will. What are your options? Nothing, because the photograph was taken a long time ago. However, this could change, and you should put as much pressure on them as possible, such as by standing up and demanding that they hand up your money. You can write an email to your exchange requesting assistance to see if it accepts or will provide it to you. You could, but we believe you should simply wait it out, because everyone will receive it at the same time, and when the system becomes live. Songbird, on the other hand, we're presuming hasn't been publicized or made public, and there's been a lot of speculation about when it will take place. While the XRP army awaits the airdrop, the case against Ripple before the Securities and Exchange Commission is nearing completion. In the most recent step in the case, around 13 papers have been deleted from public view. The conclusion of the SEC v. Ripple case may result in an XRP rally. The Securities and Exchange Commission has filed a move to prevent the release of Ripple's requested data. The XRP Army, a group of XRP proponents and sympathizers, discovered one of the 13 items that count as internal SEC's records in the case. A speech written by William Hinman, former SEC Director of Corporation Finance, is included to an email sent to SEC staff for evaluation and criticism. Hinman's speech, according to a Digitalicet, a pseudonymous XRP supporter, was based on a variety of people's views. Hinman's remarks has been viewed as critical to the case's outcome, since he said in June 2018 that Ether is not a security. Hinman said at the time that he had informed Ripple about XRP and requested that the company stop selling it. When asked about Hinman's statement, Gary Gensler, the current SEC chair, refused to respond. Given the ongoing investigation of Coinbase, the world's second-largest cryptocurrency exchange, and the corporation behind the sixth-largest cryptocurrency, XRP, the XRP Army questions why the SEC is picking winners and losers in the cryptocurrency market. The argument is based on Hinman's 2018 speech and the SEC continuing Ripple investigation, which began in December 2020. Charles Gasparino of Fox Business Network delivered the SEC answer to picking winners and losers on September 15. According to John Deaton, the founder of CryptoLaw.us and an XRP advocate, Ripple will succeed based on its current defense. Since December 2020, when the altcoin's largest public holder was under investigation by the SEC, institutional investors have not made substantial moves in XRP. However, it's worth mentioning that the number of active XRP wallet addresses has increased by more than 200% in the last 3 months. Despite recent delistings on several spot exchanges, retail traders are embracing XRP, which bodes well for the XRP price in the long run. A great trader and analyst, Peter Brandt, presented a potentially profitable long-term chart for the XRP/USD pair. The XRP price produced asymmetrical triangular formations on the 4-hour chart, indicating that buyers and sellers are in overall equilibrium. The tightening of the Bollinger Bands indicates that Ripple is about to make a huge move. As a result, the increased hesitation may be coming to an end shortly. The dominant technical pattern suggests that the XRP price may seek a 26% increase or decrease from current levels. As Ripple approaches the triangle's topside trend line, the bulls are gaining ground. If the price of XRP rises above the top trend line of the chart pattern, Ripple may be able to attain it, has set an optimistic target of a 26% increase to $1.40. However, bulls must be mindful of a few of obstacles before the altcoin may reach this level. The first barrier for the XRP price is the crossing of the 100 and 204-hour simple moving averages, SMAs, at $1.17. The next level of resistance will be the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level of $1.21, above $1.30, and the all-time high hit on August 23. Another stumbling hurdle could surface. If Ripple crosses all of the previously indicated resistance levels, its price will only gain 26% to $1.40. According to renowned trader Brent, the altcoin's price chart shows a head and shoulders pattern. Analysts at FX Street believe that XRP must retain support at $1.06 to avoid a 30% plunge, and that it will likely find resistance at $1.27 before rebounding further. Do you plan to invest in XRP? If you want to learn more about XRP, there are 2 more videos on the end screen for you to watch. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Before heading out, kindly note that prices of cryptocurrencies frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.